This is a look at the Northern Lights 10,000 lux box light. This is a really great light if you want to essentially create or simulate sunlight during those winter months. And you can see I've got it tucked in next to my computer monitor here, which is a way I think a lot of people like to use this. So when you're sitting at the desk, you're just getting computer work done anyway. You can get that light, that bright, natural kind of light coming in here. Again, 10,000 lux, which is a really good, strong brightness. And you can see the box itself is actually pretty thin. It's got a light inside of there. It's going to create that super bright light out the front. It's not an LED. It's some kind of a tube in there that they're using to create that. And you can see it does have a little stand here. So I've got it on its side. You can lay it on its side or stand it up. And we've got this nice kind of plate that diffuses the light on there. Then using it is super simple. We're just going to go ahead and switch it on. You'll see it's going to get really bright all of a sudden here. And that's going to just shine on you there. And it's a nice kind of warm color to it. Some of the light boxes that I've seen are more of a kind of bluish, colder light. This is a nice warm light. And it does, work really well here. I find, again, you can tuck it in beside your monitor. If you have a little more desk space, you can stand it upright on the desk and you get that nice bright light, super easy, just one switch to turn it on and off, and it works really well.